Now, I'd like to introduce our conference microphone. The microphone adopts 48 kHz sampling rate, higher than the CD sound quality. The voice is clear and bright. Internal DSP audio processing and feedback inhibition function. Delegate unit had applied for speech function. Chairman unit can approve the applicate, support the timekeeping of speech. The microphone has the voice control function, can intelligent turn on the microphone. 5-section EQ regulating function. Different sound effects can be adjusted. The chairman has the priority function, can turn off the microphone of delegated unit during speech. 4.3-inch TFT True Color touch screen. Simple operation, friendly use function. With 100-meter network transmission to realize hand-in-hand cascaded, sound quality will not have any effect in long-distance transmission. With functions of IC cards sign-in, order T, and the text message function. Support the vote, election, rating function. Chairman unit can set vote check-in, support data status without PC. With the function of electronic table stands, with 4-view large LCD to show the person's name. Quickly update the display information through PC. Now I'd like to introduce our high-performance IR radiator. Super radiated power. The maximum distance can reach 40 meters. Cascaded can be realized 500 meters transmission distance. Launch angle 135 degrees. The standby function. IR radiator standby when the IR radiator without signal input or output. Standby power is only 3 watts. The emission intensity can reduce by half. Reduce the signal power to convenient use in small space. Now, I'd like to introduce our IR receiver. IR receiver support interpreting channel locking function. Prevent different translation languages from occupying the same channel. And the system has a channel occupancy indicator. Support LCD display, channel number, battery level, and the signal state indication. Noise free. Mute the signal automatically when signal is too weak. To ensure that only receive high quality signal is acceptable. Receiver unit will turn off automatically to save energy and environmental friendly if cannot get a signal in 5 minutes or pull up the earphone. Now, I'd like to introduce our Interpretator Microphone. First, message reminder function. You can notify by sending a message if needed. Speak timing function. The administrator or secretary sets a unit display to show the time that has been spoken. Independent speech monitoring. The controller can monitor each channel and leave speech, with independent volume control. T application. The interpretator unit has a T application function by the T application button. Eliminate coughing sounds and the speech speed reminder. The interpretator unit has a coughing sounds, eliminating function, and has a speed reminder.